10th CBSE Chemistry, Chapter Periodic Classification of Elements. In this video, you will understand the relationship between atoms, elements, compounds and mixtures. The nature that surrounds us is made up of so many different things. But did you know that all this different matter around us is made up of tiny particles called atoms? Yes, all the matter around us is made up of these tiny particles called atoms. Scientists have discovered that there are 92 different kinds of atoms in nature, and hence all the matter in the nature is made up of these 92 different atoms. Let us consider few examples. Gold. When we consider gold, gold is completely made up of gold atoms. One cannot find any other kind of atom in gold, and hence gold is considered as element. So scientists have discovered 92 different kinds of atoms in nature, and hence we can tell that there are 92 different elements found in nature. To mention a few: carbon, oxygen, sulfur, nitrogen, sodium, calcium and so many. So there are 92 different kinds of elements that are found in nature. Now let us move to the second example, that is water. H2O. H2O is the molecular formula for water. Now observe here, there are two different kinds of atoms, hydrogen and oxygen. A single molecule of water has two hydrogen atoms and one oxygen atom. Hydrogen and oxygen are combined together in the ratio 2:1 to give one molecule of water. Now, such substances in which we find more than one kind of atoms are called as compounds. Compounds are the substances which are made up of more than one kind of atoms. Now recall that I mentioned H2O as the molecule of water. Now what are molecules? Observe carefully. H2O represents the chemical composition of water, whether it is a drop or an ocean. So all the water in the world has the same composition, that is H2O. So molecules are the smallest particles of substances which is made up of two or more atoms of same element or different elements. In this case, it is different elements, that is hydrogen and oxygen. So here we can call it as molecule of compound. So H2O is a molecule of a compound. Now let us take one more example, that is O2, which is oxygen. So we call it as oxygen molecule. Here it's a molecule of element because it is made up of same kind of atoms or atoms of same element. So molecules are the smallest particles of substances which is made up of two or more atoms of same element. Here it's an example, or different elements. So here the different elements, that is hydrogen and oxygen, combine to form a compound. So we understood what is an element, what are compounds and molecules. Now let us move on and understand what are mixtures. The best example for a mixture is the atmospheric air. Air is a mixture of nitrogen, oxygen and other gases like carbon dioxide, water vapor, carbon monoxide and others. Recall that your biology teacher would have told you that we respire only oxygen. It's only O2, that is the oxygen molecule, we breathe. But among all these gases, how is it possible that we only take in oxygen, not any other gas? It is because oxygen is not chemically combined with the other gases of atmosphere. It is free. So though atmosphere consists of many different gases, the gases are free because they are not chemically combined. Such substances which are present together but are not chemically bound are called as mixtures. Other examples for mixtures include the seawater. The seawater is a mixture of salt and water. Once the water dries out or evaporates, what remains is the salt. Though they both are present together, they can be easily separated out. Other examples include sand in water and oil in water. So these are the other two examples for mixtures. Now we have understood what is an element. Then comes the compound. So then we saw what are molecules, and we saw that there is molecule of an element and also molecule of compound. And we understood what are mixtures. So let us have a quick recap of all this. Atoms are the smallest particles of elements which can take part in a chemical reaction. Compounds are the chemical substances which are formed by the combination of two or more elements. Molecules are the smallest particles of a substance which is made up of two or more atoms of same element or different elements. So molecules retain the physical and chemical properties of a substance. Like for example, H2O is a water molecule, CO2 is a carbon dioxide molecule, C6H12O6 is a molecule of glucose. Molecules can be grouped into molecules of elements, like for example H2 and O2, molecules of compounds, and the examples include carbon dioxide and HCl. Mixtures are the substances made up of two or more substances which are not chemically bonded and hence can be easily separated. Some examples include sand, water, oil and water, ocean water, and the atmospheric air. Now you are familiar with the relationship between atoms, elements, compounds, and mixtures.